Welcome back. Now on the left side menu, Mailchimp has what it calls its Content Studio. If you click that link, you're going to be shown this area. And the first tab is going to be for what they call their creative assistant. And so basically, what you're going to do here is you're going to put in your URL. And then once you put in that URL, what Mailchimp does is it automates designs based on your brand as it's shown on your website. We're going to put in our URL. We're then going to click Show Me the Designs. Mailchimp's AI will go through this process and then generate images and artifacts for you. And once you see it, you can explore more designs based on what you have posted inside of Mailchimp. You can then go inside of the design library, and you can make changes and edit your existing designs. The Creative Assistant also has within it its brand kit, and it tries to figure out what your colors are so that you can then add more information to your designs and to your creative library. Also in the content area, you'll find that you'll have your logo and all of the other images that you use inside of your emails. Mailchimp also pulls in a number of your Instagram images. So basically what the Content Studio does is it gives you assets based on your brand and elements that you have uploaded based on that brand, as well as what the AI can determine is part of the brand of your website. And also included is your Instagram account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.